Hello everyone, good morning. My friend bird visiting me. They're back again in the porch. They're back again in the porch. Good morning everyone. Happy Monday. They're here in the porch. They're back again. They're visiting me. Again, they're in the porch. Right there. Morning birdie. Where's the rest of your friend? I think they flew away. The rest of the friend, they flew away. So, where's the rest of your friend? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. It's me again. It's Pinay Vlog. It's Monday. My friend birdies is back again to my porch. They're here visiting me. The rest of the bird flew away. So, they're back in my porch. Where's the rest of the bird?